Due to the current circumstances, I am now stuck at home, and that is a great opportunity to review some food I had at home, or as I like to call it, quarantine food. Let's go. I chose to make bread biscuits as they make a great snack to eat. Inside is a packet that is the main component in the bread. It is a biscuit mix. Also, there is a smaller packet for the garlic and butter sauce going on the bread. First, I preheat my toaster oven to 425 degrees. You can use any oven to toast your batter. First, add the whole biscuit mix into your bowl and then stir in 3/4 cup of cold water. Then add half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Mix your batter together, but make sure you do not overmix. Create balls of dough with the batter, placing them onto parchment paper. I created 6, but the only impact the size has is the baking time. I put mine in the oven for 27 minutes on 425 degrees, but the time varies for everyone, depending on how many balls you create and the size in your oven and just a lot of other things. After the time is complete, take out your golden biscuits and they smell good. Now work on your garlic butter sauce. Melt whatever amount of butter you want in the microwave. It says 1/3 cup on the box. And add the mini packet. Put this sauce over top your biscuits for extra flavor. I would give these biscuits a 7.5 out of 10. The only reason why it would not be like a 10 out of 10 is because I found it very dry. And I found it very salty. The link for the biscuit mix will be down in the description. With that, I hope you enjoyed my video. And remember, great food, great mood.